In this video, we will learn how to convert a list of integer to a list of strings. First, I will import few packages such as import Java util and import java.util.stream.star and import java.util.stream.collectors. First, I will create a list of integers and then create a string from the list and then map each element using object toString method and then collect the string values into a list using collectors dot to list method. Let's see how to do this. In our main function, first I will create a list of integers and I will name it numbers and I will use arrays dot as list method to convert these integer numbers to string, although integer list. This is integer, and then I'm going to create a list of string. Here is list of string and name it str underscore list for string list. And now I'm going to use numbers dot stream to create a string from the list and then map each element using object toString. So dot map and object toString, and now collect the string values into a list using collectors to list by calling collect. So it's gonna be dot collect and pass in collectors dot to list. And just save it, and I can loop through this list and print each element of this list using for each for string, I would say item, and then our string underscore list, and inside I will print each item of the list as a string system.out print line and pass in item. So we have this list printed as a string that first we created as an integer list over here, and then we converted into a string list and printed each element of the string. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.